Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. In this video you will see in which direction the price of NEO has moved recently. Additionally, you will find out what the technical indicators SMA, RSI and Stochastic RSI are predicting about its price and future movements. By taking a look at the hourly time frame for NEO, the price moved up with around 2.2% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 8.75. And the volume wasn't especially high, so this move wasn't very strong. Jumping to the simple moving average, or short SMA, it is calculated by summing up the close prices for a certain amount of candles and then dividing it by the number of the candles. We use usually the last 20, 50, 100 and 200 candles to calculate the different SMAs. The SMA lines could be used to determine if a trend is currently to the downside or upside. The SMA lines could also show support and resistance levels, and breaking one of them could signal trend to the corresponding direction. If we now look at the current hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 8.69, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 8.77 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. Looking at the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 51, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Looking at the hourly stochastic RSI, there are no signs of the stochastic RSI being oversold or overbought at this time. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is above all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bullish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 200 SMA, could hold support, or the price will break it to the downside below the current price of around 8.71. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. For longer price development, the daily time frames should also be considered, as the shorter time frames are not as accurate. Looking at the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 54, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Moving to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are located in the higher region. This means that the price is high due to overbuying, and a change in the trend, or at least some kind of consolidation, can be expected. The K line is currently located below the D line, meaning that there is a downwards trend. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.